In this video, we'll discuss firewall filter match criteria. When creating a firewall filter term, it's very similar to creating a routing policies term. When configuring the firewall filter term, you specify the match conditions and the actions that go with those match conditions. Now, the match conditions are specified using what we call match statements. And when creating your firewall filter, you can specify multiple match statements, or you can go with a single match statement. When configuring your match conditions, we can use numeric filter match conditions, which is matching up criteria in the packet header with numerical values. Good examples of conditions that use numerical values are port numbers and protocol numbers. So for example, we could specify a single number when filtering packets by the source port or the destination port, or we could actually use the text-based abbreviation for that port number. For instance, we could use HTTP as the text-based value instead of specifying a numerical port value of 80. Another example of a match condition is known as an interface filter match condition, where we match the interface name or the value of that interface name in a packet itself. So we could use the set interface command to specify a match condition using an interface filter. Another common match condition is a MAC address filter match condition, where we can match the source and destination MAC address values with what's contained inside the packet. So we could use the set destination-MAC address as the command and then specify the actual value of the MAC address that you're searching for in the packet in order for this rule to match the packet. A very common match condition that we use on our firewalls is the IP address filter match condition, where we have to match the prefix values within the packet of the source or destination IP address prefixes. So we can use the set destination -address command or the set source -address command, and then either specify the IP address of a system, or you could specify an entire subnet by specifying the IP address of the subnet / and then specifying the network prefix. We also have bit field filter match conditions, which allow you to actually match a number of the different options that exist in the IP header or TCP header. So we can match IP options within the IP header. We can match TCP flags if we wanted to inside the TCP header. Also, we can go and identify IP fragmentation as well using bit field filter match conditions. So as an example, we can use the set TCP flags command and then in quotes specify the value of the flags that we're trying to filter on. So in this video, we discussed firewall filter match conditions.